This is the list of coins we bought in the month of July. So I'll talk about the profit and the losses we made. And if you like content like this, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel. So let's go straight to 1st of July. So we started out giving out future signals, but I'm not talking about futures trading here. Although I might talk about that later in the end of this video. But what I will focus is just spot trading, DeFi and meme coins. Okay, so let's go to when we actually dropped the first signal. So this year, this was on the 2nd of July. I talked about check on Hosico, we are up 200% profit. So this was given in the month of June. So this is not part of the coin we bought in the month of July. So I'm not counting this, but we are up 200%. I'm just giving feedback as to how far we've gone. So here we are even up 3.6x. And it went on like that. So let's go to the first coin that actually dropped. So the first coin was on the 4th of July. I actually posted that I'm bidding Cheddar. And this was look at the time I posted it. This is 12:28 p.m. So let's go to the chart. I'm going to show you with that screen and show you how far it actually did. So this was when I posted the coin, and the coin was between $13,000 to $15,000. And what did you see? A few hours after, this coin actually ran to $85,000. It actually fell this hard because a lot of persons actually took profit the moment they saw this push. But this was over a 400% profit from our entry point. So this is the first coin we actually bought for the month of July. And over here you can see when Hosico did 4x for us. Okay, so the next coin I dropped was Bitcoin and Bet. And you can see this was on the 7th of July. And I said you can buy it on Destoro, you can also buy it on Jupiter or use any bot of your choice, be it Bunkbot or Axiom. And if you don't have any of these accounts, I'm going to leave my link in the description to sign up. And also on the 8th of July, I also added PVS somewhere around $5 million market cap, and the final one I dropped was WMDR at $1.1 million market cap. So you can see where I announced that I have dropped 4 coins so far for Midterm hold: Bitcoin, Bet, PVS and WMDR. And shortly after, you can see WMDR was up by 50% already that very day. Later on it went up 70%. Bitcoin started moving up also crazily. So Bitcoin was actually dropped at $2.9 million market cap, and right here you can see it has gone up to $4.14 million market cap already. So we're already swimming in profit for the 3 of these coins. And even WMDR went as high as $2.3 million market cap the next day, putting us up on over 100% profit. And you can see right here, these are the 4 coins I dropped. The next day, which was on the July 9th, I was giving feedback that Bet is up, PVS is up, Bitcoin is up, WMDR is also up. And if you look right here, you can see that WMDR went up to as high as $2.6 million market cap, giving us over 150% profit from our entry. And while I'm scrolling, you can also see that we're making some good bag from futures trading. On the 10th of July, Bet was already up 37% profit, alongside other ones that have been up over 100% each. Well, to sum it up, Bitcoin actually went as high as $8 million market cap from our entry point at $2.9 million market cap. You can do the math for yourself on how much you made from that. And Bet, on the other hand, went up to $55 million market cap from where I called it around $20 million market cap, giving us over 100 and something% profit on this particular coin. And for PVS, you can see it went to $9.5 million market cap, giving us close to 100% profit on PVS. And right now it is down to $6 million, which is still above our entry point, just in case you did not sell. But most of the times I actually announced that I took profit on the Telegram channel, and that is why you have to be on our Telegram channel if you want to join us to start making money in crypto. And then the final coin I dropped for the month of July was Viva. You can see I dropped it somewhere around $3 million market cap. And you can see after I dropped it, within the next few hours, you can see Viva went up to as high as $5 million market cap. And since then, it has been in a downtrend, currently sitting at $2.6 million. But $3 million to $5 million is over a 60 to 70% profit already. But I know most persons did not take profit, including me. So right now, I'm actually down on some loss anyways, and just because I didn't take profit for this one. But my intention is not to make a quick back on this one and to hold it for quite longer. So let's see how it turns out in the coming weeks or even months, because I plan to hold it for midterm. And This simply tells you that we won't also make instant profit from most of these coins. Sometimes we might encounter losses and not just profit, just like I've narrated from the very beginning. So you have to have this in the back of your mind whenever you're joining us to take some of these trades. And that's all of it, guys. And you can see I had less signals that I dropped for the month of July, and that is because I spent most of my time traveling out of the country. But right now I'm readily available to start dropping signals again, so we can start making money. So make sure to join our Telegram channel, and if you don't have an account for some of these platforms to get started with trading, do want to check out the comment section. I'm going to leave all of the links right there, or check out the description section also. The links to sign up on all of these platforms are going to be there. And for our future signals, we did insanely well for our future signals, and many persons on our Telegram channel has been appreciating us for these signals we've been dropping, and that is more reason you have to join us, because we are versatile and we don't just trade only meme coins or spot trading. We also look out for other branches like futures trading, and a few times I just talk about airdrops. So do well to join us on our Telegram channel to get started right away. If you want to learn more about how to make money from cryptocurrencies, I did a cryptocurrency and DeFi mastery course. The website to sign up for that course is uchecrypt.com. I'm going to leave it to that in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. And see you in our next video, where I will give updates as to how far we did in the month of August. Bye for now.